Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's not very nice to drive outside, so I'm not going to be going outside. There's a little bit too much slush, frozen slush on the roads here. But hey, it's sunny out today, so maybe tomorrow, I don't know, maybe later today, who knows. Anyways, I thought I'd spend some time in the garage today. I got a quick little upgrade I'm going to make to the bike. I say little because it should be quick and easy. However, it's pretty expensive. Well, it's not too expensive, but for what it is, it's actually pretty expensive. So, anyways, let's have a look. So this is it. This is the fuel fill flush mount. This is both left and right because I have the fill and the dummy one on the bike. So this should be a pretty easy installation, but I do say it's kind of expensive because this here in Canadian with taxes, it was $192. And when you see what it actually is, it's like, I don't know if it's really worth it, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. So I guess we'll see whether it's worth it or not. So opening it up, we actually opened it at the store because even the sales guy was like, it only looks like it's one. We should open up, make sure everything's in there. So what actually comes in it, the general instructions, more general instructions. So, and this is all it is. This is why I say I don't know if it's really worth it, because it's basically two things of plastic for something that you don't really need. So this here, the dummy side. So basically, actually this is both. So this is the dummy side. So this will go where it's just the looks one. This is the ring for the actual gas fuel. So they're pretty much just plastic, from what I can tell. And then this is the actual. So that's the flush mount. So it locks down like that, and you twist it, and it pops up to unscrew it. This is actually metal. These things here aren't. They're pretty much plastic, from what I can gather. This here is metal. $192 worth of metal. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty nice gasket. Anyways, so let's do the install. So the first part of the install is just literally just taking the old gas cap off, screwing the new one in. That's it for that part. Now, I did just wash the bike too, so there's a little bit left over water, so we'll just dry that off. Now the next part is actually just cleaning this off with some rubbing alcohol to make sure the adhesive sticks pretty good. So I'm just gonna clean all around here pretty good. And just let that dry. Now the next part of this is in installing the ring. Now it depends on your tank of where it's going to actually align. Now there is a little notch that you see in here, basically where this tab is. You're supposed to put it facing the front of the bike and then rotate it basically of where it's going to actually fit proper on your bike. Actually, I think right about there is going to be good for mine. It talks about using masking tape and taping it down and everything, but I don't think we need to go that route. That actually is going to be perfect there. So let's peel that off. There. Hold that on for a little while. It says 5 to 7 minutes before you start on the next one. So I won't bore you with that. I'll cut to the next one. So now on the dummy side, to take it off, you just unscrew it apparently. I've never actually taken this side off, so not 100% sure of how to do it. Oh, you're supposed to press down and rotate counterclockwise. There. Whew. That was harder than it should have been, right? Again, a little water still left, so I'm just going to dry that off. So, this here, I just want to check something out, because you're supposed to take this metal piece off to be able to put the new one on, but I actually want to see if I could put this on over top. I'm just worried about if this ever falls off. I could always just put the old one back on, but I think it might be too high up. Actually, no, it's not too high up. I could... it's pretty close. I think that might make it... might push it up. No, you know what? I'm going to try it. Okay, so next step, some rubbing alcohol. So same as before, put the tab facing forward, and then you can kind of rotate it to see where it's best gonna house or fit. I think right there. And just hold it on. There's the install of both of them. Personally, I think it looks really good. How do you, like that? Take it off. Back in. Whew, looks pretty spiffy. Again, $190 to $92 worth. That I can't answer. I don't tell my wife. But yeah, I think they look fantastic. Again, I'm not sure worth $192, but hey, it looks pretty sharp. I think it really adds to the bike. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully I get another chance to get out on the bike soon. Talk to you later.